Good morning.
Hi.
Are you here to check your child in?
Yes, please.
Come on in.
Have fun.
Here's your pager. If we need you for anything, we'll give you a buzz and you can come and see us.
Perfect. Thank
Great.
you.
Now make sure you come back so we can exchange that pager for your kid.
Yeah, okay.
Have a good service. Hi. Carter was very sad, so I thought we could make this exchange nice and easy.
What?
Hope that you had a fantastic. Okay, we're gonna do this nice and easy. Carter, you're gonna start walking towards Mom. You're gonna toss that pager to Magnolia very, very gently. Do these terms seem agreeable to both of you? Okay, Carter, on a count of 3, you're gonna walk over to Mom. 1, 2, 3.
Hi. Here to pick up Carter? Hey, buddy. Good to see you. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
See you guys.
Have a good day. Okay.
Bye. Bye,
Here we
Carter.
go.